We are pleased to show you the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.